How to post an announcement in Blackboard. Make sure that you're on the Announcements area in the menu, and then click on the Create Announcement button. Type in the subject that you would like to write about in the announcement. If you don't see all the features for editing, click on the double chevron arrow to reveal them all. And then type in the body of the message. If you would like to email it to your students, put a check mark beside send a copy of this announcement immediately. You can set dates to make this appear, but these dates will not be the date that the email sends. The email must always be sent immediately when you hit submit if this box is checked. I'm going to set it to be not date restricted. Browsing does not browse for an attachment. Rather, if you insist on putting an attachment in, use the attachment link. Browsing simply will allow you to point to a certain place in the course. Now hit submit, and the email will be sent as well as the announcement posted.